On the MacLab homepage is a link to our gallery. And I want you to understand that if you're working in illustration, this is 3D, but this is illustration. Okay? I want you to understand that there are lots of different styles that you can pursue. But what we're looking for is a composition, not just an image that stands alone. Well, here, this is an image that stands alone. So do I contradict myself? Very well, then. I contradict myself, to quote Walt Whitman. And I just want you to understand that whatever your style is, compose your image, because even that parrot was composed on the space. Okay? Here's an illustration working from a photograph. Pretty effective. So understand that if you want to pursue illustration, I'm looking for work that's good enough for our gallery. And to be honest, I probably have over 100 other examples of student work way down deep in the over 1 million files I have scattered around hard drives since I started teaching. It's crazy. So organization, that's why I stress that for you guys. It's not going to be that crazy for you, but when you work, save your files with a common, thoughtful naming system. Save out iterations of your file so you don't ruin something. Use layers. And whether you're working in Illustrator or Photoshop, and especially if you're working in Photoshop, you got to understand image size and resolution. How big is your file? Print resolution, when you hit Command N in Photoshop, the resolution should be 180, and then the size, start out in inches. Look at the posters on the walls. You know, how big are you working? Because Photoshop is image and size and resolution dependent. So if you don't understand that, talk to me, because I want your work to be produced correctly. If you're an illustrator, hey, it scales. You don't have to worry about anything. Don't bring JPEGs into Illustrator. Okay? So the bottom line is, if you're an illustrator, talk to me anywhere along the way as you're working. But to turn this in, to be able to ask for the password, I need a composition that at least approaches gallery level. Got it? Thanks.